5 hidden shortcuts you need now. Shortcut number 1. The magic indenter, Ctrl+M. Tired of spacebar gymnastics? Say hello to the magic indenter. Just hit Ctrl+M to indent your paragraphs quickly and perfectly. One tap, and your text lines up like a pro. Ctrl+M equals indent paragraph. Shortcut number 2. The alignment superpower, Ctrl+L, Ctrl+R, Ctrl+E. Alignment struggle? Not anymore. With these alignment superpowers, you can snap text to the left with Ctrl+L, to the right with Ctrl+R, or smack dab in the center with Ctrl+E. Forget the toolbar, let your keyboard do the heavy lifting. Ctrl+L equals left align, Ctrl+R equals right align, Ctrl+E equals center align. Shortcut number 3, the all-seeing eye, Alt+Ctrl+I. Time to activate the all-seeing eye with Alt+Ctrl+I. This shortcut gives you a sneak peek at the print preview, so you know exactly how your document looks before you hit print. No more surprises. Alt+Ctrl+I equals print preview mode. Shortcut number 4, the bullet master, Ctrl+Shift+L. Messy lists got you down? Time to unleash the bullet master with Ctrl+Shift+L. One tap, and boom, your list gets perfectly formatted bullet points without a hitch. Clean, neat, and ready to impress. Ctrl+Shift+L equals bullet point shortcut. Shortcut number 5, the format eraser, Ctrl+Space. Made a mess with too many fonts and colors? No worries. With the format eraser, just hit Ctrl+Space and clear all the crazy formatting in an instant. Back to basics, and back to sanity. Ctrl+Space equals clear formatting. Stop clicking, start shortcutting, and become the word wizard you were meant to be. Like the video, subscribe ZQ World for more informative videos.